Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set lock wallpaper from your gallery. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your gallery. Choose your picture. Now here you can see more option. Press on this. Now click on Set as Wallpaper. From here you can see three options: Home Screen Wallpaper, Lock Screen Wallpaper and Set as Both. If you want to set this picture for only Lock Screen Wallpaper, then choose the option of Lock Screen Wallpaper. Now press on this Sign option. That's it. So this is how to set lock screen wallpaper from gallery in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.